Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Lovable to Supabase. So before starting, make sure that you already have your Supabase URL and secret key ready. So first thing that you will have to do is go to your Supabase account, and then you will have to click your project and then scroll down a little until you see your view API settings, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that and you go to API keys and wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will see legacy anon and service role API keys. So here's your secret key, by the way. So you will just have to reveal it in order to copy it. And then next you will go back to your project, and then you will see your project URL. So what you will have to do is just copy that. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And then once you have those two, what you will do is choose the project that you want to connect to a database. And after that, you will just have to go to integrations or backend settings tab depending on your version. So it is usually here. The settings is here. So you will just have to click that, and then you will look for the database provider or Supabase integration, and then you will just have to click connect or add database. And next, enter your Supabase project URL, which is what we've done earlier, and your service role secret key, of course. And yeah, if Lovable allows environment variables, you will just have to place the URL under Supabase underscore URL and the key under Supabase underscore service underscore key. And after that, you will just have to save your settings. And Lovable will run a quick validation to ensure that the connection is correct. And finally, you will just have to test the connection by running a simple database action like fetching data or creating a sample record. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.